my new book came together because a friend of mine pointed out to me that over the last 25 or 30 years, I had written, probably 30 years, I had written so many reviews of books in translation from Urdu, like Urdu Man Haidar, Abdullah Hussain, Intizar Hussain. Then I had started to write in English about Urdu. Then I had started to write in Urdu. And a lot of my essays were being quoted in Indian publications particularly. Occasionally I was cited and occasionally I wasn't. And I had forgotten half those pieces. So a friend of mine who was at Aligarh University at the time, he's now got his doctorate from there, said, listen, all these essays should be put together in a collection, because all these people who are looking for your work online and finding it in obscure publications, some of them out of print, etc., or digging out your work from archives, should have all the essays in one collection. And of course that would be a very good idea to have the collection out in Pakistan. And Pakistan Academy of Letters offered to publish it. I also thought it would be a good idea to have it out in India, because it's in India that the scholarship is mostly being done, particularly on women writers in Urdu. But the Indian publisher who offered me a deal only wants me to do a book on Ismat Chughtai and Qurratullah and Haidar. So I wanted this book to have everyone that I could think of in it, from Ghulam Abbas to Abdullah Hussain to Intizar Hussain to Ismat Chughtai to all sorts of other people. And many years ago I came across the work of someone called Nisar Aziz Bhatt, and I wrote a lot about her. And luckily because of that, a young scholar put together a compendium of articles about her. So her work was also canonized. So this book is a record of all those different things I've done just for love about Urdu literature, because I'm not a critic or a theorist of Urdu. So that's the book.